here. If you're over 60, you've probably started to notice little things, like your knees popping, your skin bruising easier, or getting out of bed feels just a bit more stiff. You might chalk it up to just getting old. But guess what? It's actually your collagen slowing down. Collagen is the glue that holds everything together, your joints, your tendons, your ligaments, your skin. When your collagen levels drop, your body starts to show the signs: creaky joints, saggy skin, even weaker muscles. But the best news is you don't have to rely on expensive creams or pills. Your body can rebuild collagen naturally, and today I'll show you exactly how with simple foods you can find in any grocery store. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to keep your joints strong, your skin smooth, and your days a whole lot more comfortable. Are your knees popping or feeling stiff when you stand up? It might not be just age. It could be a collagen problem. Let me show you how to fix it naturally. Most people think taking a scoop of collagen powder solves the problem, but that's not how it works. Collagen doesn't just magically appear in your joints when you eat it. Your body actually breaks it down into amino acids first. Then it needs the right conditions to rebuild those amino acids back into collagen. And that means having enough vitamin C, zinc, copper, and other important cofactors. So instead of only focusing on supplements, we need to focus on nourishing your body to produce its own collagen. That's way more powerful and natural. Think of it like building a house. You can't just dump bricks on a lot and expect a home to appear. You need the right workers, tools, and blueprints. Your body is the same. It needs the right nutrients to assemble collagen properly. Imagine climbing the stairs without grabbing the railing, or seeing smoother skin in the mirror. That all starts with what's on your plate. 10. Vegetables and foods that help your body make collagen. All right, now for the exciting part. There are common vegetables, nuts, and fruits that actually act like a natural collagen factory booster inside your body. I want to go through 10 of them with you, nice and simple, so you can remember them next time you go shopping. 1. Red bell peppers. They're super high in vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Just half a cup gives you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. 2. Tomatoes, also loaded with vitamin C, and they have lycopene, which protects your skin and joints from damage. Try adding fresh tomatoes to your salads or sauces. 3. Leafy greens like kale and spinach. These are antioxidant powerhouses. They help protect your existing collagen from breaking down. 4. Carrots, packed with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A slows down the breakdown of collagen, keeping your skin and joints healthier for longer. 5. Beets. These improve circulation. Better blood flow means nutrients reach your joints and skin cells more efficiently. 6. Broccoli. It's got tons of vitamin C and sulforaphane, a compound that helps protect your cartilage. 7. Avocado, full of healthy fats that help stabilize the collagen structure in your skin and joints. Plus, they're delicious on toast or in salads. 8. Garlic. It might surprise you, but garlic contains sulfur, which helps collagen cross-link properly. That makes it stronger and more resilient. 9. Nuts and seeds. Like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, they're rich in zinc and copper, two minerals critical for collagen formation. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help your body make new collagen and protect the collagen you already have. So there you have it, 10 everyday foods you can easily work into your meals. Eat them regularly, and you're literally giving your body the raw materials and the toolbox it needs to build collagen from scratch. Over 60 and losing collagen fast? Don't worry, I'll show you 10 foods that literally help rebuild it from inside out. How to combine them in easy meals. Now you might be wondering, okay, these foods sound great, but how do I actually eat them every day? Let me give you a few simple ideas. First, you can make colorful salads. Just toss together red bell peppers, tomatoes, leafy greens like spinach, shredded carrots, sliced avocado. Maybe top it with some nuts and a handful of berries. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C. Or try a quick stir fry. Use broccoli, beets, garlic, and maybe some spinach at the end so it just wilts. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying meal. For snacks, keep it easy. A small bowl of mixed berries with a few nuts is perfect. Or slice up some carrots to dip in hummus. And don't forget smoothies. Throw spinach, berries, half an avocado, even a chunk of beet into the blender. Add a little yogurt if you like, for some bonus protein. The point is you don't need complicated recipes. You just need to keep these collagen-friendly foods around and find ways to mix them into meals you already love. That way it becomes a habit, not a chore. Hi there, over 60 and want to keep your joints happy? Let me show you simple foods that work better than expensive creams or pills. What results to expect in 7 days? So what can you actually expect if you start adding these foods into your daily routine? Let me be honest. Real collagen rebuilding takes time, but many people notice small changes even after just 1 week. You might wake up with less stiffness in your knees or back, or feel like it's a little easier to move around in the morning. Some people say their skin looks a bit more hydrated or plump. Now, of course, big changes in your joints or skin elasticity take months, but these small wins early on give you the motivation to keep going. And the best part, unlike popping a pill, these foods nourish your entire body, your gut, your brain, your heart, all benefit, not just your joints. So keep it up and think of it as a long-term investment in staying active, mobile, and independent. As a fellow 60-something, I know how stiff mornings can get, but what if a simple salad could change that? Outro. Thank you and call to action. All right, friends, that's it for today. I hope this gave you some simple, practical ideas to keep your joints strong and your skin healthy, all by just tweaking what's on your plate. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It really supports the channel and helps me reach more people who need natural health tips, especially for those of us over 60. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future videos where we dive deeper into natural ways to support your bones, muscles, and overall energy. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you want me to cover next. I read every single one, and it always makes my day to connect with you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Want smoother skin and stronger joints without fancy treatments? It all starts right in your kitchen. Let me show you. All right, friends, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people who need natural health tips. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the next videos. We've got so many more simple ways to keep your joints strong and your skin healthy. And hey, if you have a friend or family member who might benefit from this, feel free to share this video with them. It might just make their day or their knees a little better. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care